Episode 11, Summer Wildflower Bonanza.
Phew! That sure is a lot of work. Vern and I have been so busy all summer looking for all those wildflowers. We've been busy as bees. That's pretty neat. There are so many wildflowers, we couldn't find them all. So we just restricted ourselves to searching out in the field. And we're still pooped from all the waggling. Thank goodness we had some pollinating experts to help us out. Let's see what's buzzing out in the fields. Well, here are some of our helpers. Honeybees. They're one of the pollinators you'll find on a lot of summer wildflowers. But there are others that we might meet as well. Here's a flower that's common in fields in summer. It's a daisy. These plants tend to grow anywhere it's open and with a lot of sunlight, but not too much moisture. They're often found growing in pastures, fields, and along roadsides with black-eyed Susans. These flowers look like dandelions, but they're actually hawkweeds. They grow in open areas, anywhere on dry or moist ground. Many insects are attracted to them, as you can see. Their leaves and stems have bristly hairs that limit airflow, reducing their moisture loss in a hot field. Hey, little bee, thanks for the pollination. That's pretty neat. Hey, what's up, Buttercup? Buttercups are an early summer wildflower that may continue to bloom into September. They grow best in moist meadows and fields. A really neat, delicate flower is Queen Anne's lace. This tall plant prefers to grow in sunny fields, but it can also be found growing in shade. Queen Anne's lace is also called wild carrot because its root tastes like, well, a carrot.
Carrot.
Yarrow is a flower that is sometimes confused with Queen Anne's lace. Its flowers aren't as delicate, and the leaves look more fern-like than Queen Anne's lace. But this wildflower can thrive in different types of soil. Red clover is a wildflower that's often found growing in fields. This plant is often planted to improve soil quality and is used extensively by insects as a source of nectar and pollen. Thanks for the pollination, Bumblebee. This beautiful little flower is maiden pink. It's a plant that was used in gardens and has since escaped. It's found growing in fields, along roadsides, and in ditches. Look, everyone, I struck gold. Goldenrod, that is. Goldenrod is a late summer blooming flower. It's often found in large stands in fields and along roadsides. They're often mistaken as a cause of hay fever, but they're not. Instead of having their pollen transported through the air, like ragweed, the real hay fever culprit, goldenrod is pollinated by insects. Honeybees, wasps, flies, and butterflies rely on goldenrod as sources of nectar and pollen. These flowers also harbor beneficial predatory insects, which eat other insects. How neat is that? Our final flower is evening primrose. It gets its name because it blooms at night and closes up the next morning. It attracts moths to its flowers at night, but native bees and hummingbirds may also visit early in the morning. Time to wake up, little bee! Now it's your turn to search for wildflowers. Bring someone along and see what you can find. Maybe you'll find what we found, or maybe you'll find something different. I think all this buzzing has finally caught up with me. I think I'll lie down for a bit.